In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find profitable products using Keepa Product Finder. This is probably one of the most slept on softwares and ways to find profitable products. It just makes your life easier. There's not too many YouTube videos out there on there, so I figured I would make one for you. If you're new here, my name is John Mascarello, aka Side Hustle Experiment. Sold over $3 million on Amazon since starting, and my goal is to help you guys make money selling on Amazon so you can live life on your terms. Now let's get into the video and find out how to find profit using Keepa Product Finder. All right, so we're gonna hop over to Keepa. If you guys don't know what Keepa is, it tracks pretty much all sales data on Amazon. It makes it super simple. So we're gonna hit the data tab and we're gonna head over to the product finder. So we have a whole bunch of filters in here. It seems super overwhelming, but I'm just gonna kind of go over a really easy one that could help you guys find a lot of products and save a lot of time. So for me, sales rank is not necessarily a big deal or make or break. I know a lot of people say you have to stay under 100K or just do 50K. For me, I sell stuff all over the place. For this example though, we'll do apparel. So you have options here. So for here, I'm gonna do a 30-day average of 100,000. So basically what this is saying is in the last 30 days, all the products in this search are gonna be below, nothing will be over 100,000. So everything will be below that. The buy box price, I typically don't really go by buy box. I will though go by new price. So you could do the average over here as well if you want. I'm gonna do $20 because I wanna see everything that's at least $20. And I want to make sure Amazon is out of stock. So we have 7.2 million products. Quick recap. This is everything on Amazon that is under 100, that will be under 100K in sales rank in the last 3 days. Amazon is not currently in stock, and the new price is at least $20. So we're gonna scroll down some more here. Keep going here. We're gonna come back up to this in a second, so don't worry about that. For the offer count, so now we want to set an offer count. Basically for this, we want to, I like to put at least 3 here. That typically knocks out private label sellers or maybe a private label and a wholesaler, stuff like that. If you really wanted to, you could also put a cap. So you could put here, so I just want to see things that have at least 3 sellers and no more than 10. So you can mess around with that if you want. I'm just gonna do 3 for right now. And so that will kind of ensure that there's no private label in this search. Again, it is software. There might be some people there, but don't worry about it. So we're gonna go there, and then we're gonna scroll down a little bit more here, and we're gonna go to review count. So for the review count, we want to make sure that the items that we are selling have reviews. When you set a sales rank of 100K, most of these should have reviews. I like to put like 10 in there. So this is kind of saying that the products that we're seeing have at least 10 reviews currently. So it knocks some down. When you're doing a higher sales rank search, it will knock a lot out actually, because the sales rank is high, so that means it's not getting reviews. And the only reason I like this a lot is because we need to find products that have reviews. So now we're down to about 340,000 products still. So now what we're gonna do here, we have the baseline. So you have a couple different options that you could go. So you could, if you are enjoying this video on Keepa Product Finder, I wanted to let you know I have a school community. It is only $15 a month, and there we have so many videos in just on Keepa alone. How to use brand search on Keepa, how to find profitable products with no sales rank, how to use Keepa Product Finder to source sales quickly, and a whole lot more. And we do bi-weekly calls as well, and you have the opportunity to ask me anything. So if that sounds like something you would be into, I hope to see you inside the school, and there'll be a link down below. Pick a category. So this, you could, let's say if you want to do baby products, so it looks like there's about 3,200 baby products that meet the criteria above, and you would just hit find products. So now this is going to be all the baby products here that meet our criteria, and you can see most of this stuff currently is over $20, so that checks out. The sales ranks here are really good if you want to sort it. We'll go that, go this way. So there are some in the 200, but again, we said average. So in the average 30 days, it's been under there. So there is some there, but for the most part, you'll see here, this is everything that's under 100K, has at least 3 sellers on it. So that's one route you could do. You could do a category. The next thing I'm going to show you is, which I typically like to do, I like to put a brand in here. So if we put Nike in here, there's 14,000 Nike products that fit this criteria right here. But if you wanted to kind of drill down, you could also do that by the root category. So you could just do, so this is all Nike products. So this could be a basketball, this could be a football, this could be apparel. So you could actually go in now and whittle it down even more. So if you just want to see the clothing, so most of this is probably clothing. So we got clothing, shoes, and jewelry. You could also do subcategories. So you could even do, let's see, would they have shoes? No. You could actually take that into the text field as well. So you'll see here, so if you wanted to put what is in the title, so there's 3,000 products now that are most likely shoes, and you could kind of go through all of these. So using these Keepa product filters, it just really speeds up the process. So right now, this search would be, these are probably mostly all Nike shoes, so because they have shoes in the title. That does not, some Nike shoe listings do not have shoes in the title, as crazy as that sounds. So you could be missing out on some stuff like that, but they're under 100,000 in rank in the last 30 days. Amazon does not sell them. They're at least $20. For shoes, you might want to up this to probably, I don't know, if you were doing shoes, at least probably 50-ish. At least, I'd probably say higher. So you didn't really knock that many off. But that is that. They're getting reviews. They're in a category. So that is just one way to kind of speed it up as well. So I like to do either category, or most likely I like to do brand, and then potentially put in something in the text field just to whittle it down even more. I hope you guys found that video helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.